you search for how to buy shares of Gilat Satellite Networks Ltd. Gilat is a satellite communications equipment and services company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker GILT, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. We use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before purchasing. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker GILT or the company name. Select the Gilat Satellite Networks Ltd. listing to make sure you locate the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to see recent movements and basic details. Confirm the listing shows NASDAQ and ticker GIII, so it is the correct security. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After the trade executes, you will see the new position in your portfolio and can monitor it at any time. A link to eToro is in the description as an educational reference.